and welcome back to my YouTube channel Blessed Twinkle. And today's video we are going to discuss about the excretion in human body in man and the process by which the excretion takes place in the human body and each and every components of that. First of all, you should know that what is excretion. It is a process by which the waste product of your body that your body does not need anymore is excreted out from the body by the process that is urinary system, and excretion in man is done by the urinary system. Moving to the urinary system, a urinary system consists of several parts, that is the kidney, ureters, and urinary bladder and urethra. Kidneys is responsible for the formation of the urine, and ureters are responsible for to carry the urine from the kidney to the bladder, and bladder is responsible for the storage of the urine for a long period of time, and urethra excrete out the kidney from the body. Here is mentioned, you can read it from here. First is the pair of kidney, the second one is pair of ureters, then we have urinary bladder, then here we have the last one, that is urethra. Now we are going to discuss the kidneys in detail. What is the structure of kidney and what are the functions of the kidney? Kidneys are the dark reddish brown bean-shaped organ which is located in the back abdomen of the human body, and they are responsible for the formation of the urine. They consist of several parts, that is renal cortex, renal medulla, and renal pelvis. Pelvis is like funnel-shaped structure which is found in kidney that carries the urine from the all nephrons which are found in medulla. First of all, we have renal cortex. It is the outermost layer of the kidney and contains millions of tiny filtering units, that is nephron, and we are going to discuss nephrons in detail in this video later on. Then here we have renal medulla, that is the middle layer of the kidney. It consists of cone-shaped structure called renal pyramids. Each renal pyramid contains tubules that collect the filtrate waste product and transport them to the renal pelvis. Then we have renal pelvis, that is the innermost part of the kidney, and acts as a funnel that collects the urine from the renal pyramids. From the renal pelvis, urine flows through the ureters to the urinary bladder. Here is conclusion to the structure of kidney. Now here we have the functions of the kidney, that is filtration, regulation of fluid and electrolyte balance, blood pressure regulation, acid-base balance, red blood cells production, vitamin D activation. You can read each and every. The first one is filtration, that kidney filters waste product and excess water and toxins from the blood to produce urine. The kidneys helps in maintaining the balance of the water, electrolytes like sodium and potassium and calcium, and pH levels in the body. Blood pressure. The kidneys plays a role in regulating blood pressure by adjusting the amount of the water and salt excreted in urine. Acid-base balance. The kidney helps maintain body's acid-base balance by regulating the levels of the acids and bases in the blood. Red blood cells production. The kidneys produces a hormone called erythropoietin which stimulates the production of the red blood cells in the bone marrow. Vitamin D activation. The kidneys activate vitamin D, which is important for calcium absorption and bone health. Now we have nephrons, which are the tiny filtering units in the kidney. They help to filter waste product and excess water from the blood. They consist of the many parts, many components, and we are going to discuss each and every component in this video. First of all, we are going to discuss the structure. It also consists of renal corpuscle, and we have loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, proximal convoluted tubule, and collector duct. Starting from renal corpuscle. Renal capsule is made up of the glomerulus and the Bowman's capsule. The glomerulus is a network of the tiny blood vessel where filtration of blood occurs. The Bowman's capsule surrounds the glomerulus and collects the filtered blood fluid. From the Bowman's capsule, the filter fluid enters in the proximal convoluted tubule, where the reabsorption of the important substances such as glucose and amino acid takes place. Next, the fluid passes through the loop of Henle, which consists of a descending and ascending limb. The loop of Henle helps in the concentration and dilution of urine. After the loop of Henle, the fluid enters in the distal convoluted tubule, where further reabsorption and secretion occurs. Finally, the fluid enters in the collecting duct, which carries the urine to the renal pelvis and eventually to the bladder for elimination. Each nephron works together to filter blood, reabsorb essential substances, and excrete waste products, helping to maintain the body's fluid and electrolyte balance. Now we have the functions. You can read from here. So this was for today's video, and meet you guys in the next video, and Allah Hafiz.